Hi, this is Kevin Osborne from baldwisdom.com. If you've been 3D printing for a while, you probably have the same problem I do. There's lots of empty spools or nearly empty spools to get rid of. And there's not much you can do with them. There's a few silly things that you can make out of them, like a top, and there's a desk organizer. But really, my only choice has been to take them to my local recycling depot, because you're not supposed to put them in your mixed stream recycling. So I take them to the hard plastics section at the recycling depot. But about a year ago, a guy named Richard Horn, who I think goes by Rich Wrap, for Rep Wrap, I guess, came up with this idea of a 3D printable spool, and we talked a few filament manufacturers into selling the filament without a spool, just with a coil that you could then put on a reusable spool that you split in half. And I thought that was a great idea, but for a long time you haven't been able to find any. Some places are starting to sell refills, but today we're going to talk about one that I found that I'm very happy with. A little while ago, my friend George Roberts, who goes by GR5 on the Ultimaker forums, sent me a clue about a type of filament that was pretty inexpensive but pretty reliable, and it's ESun filament. It's PLA Pro, which means it's a copolymer. It's a mixture of PLA and another plastic that makes it less brittle. And I found it pretty good, and it's about $24 to $25 a spool on Amazon. You can always get it. Comes in a bunch of colors. Comes in 1.75 and 2.85 millimeter. Vacuum sealed, nicely done. Haven't really had any problems with it at all, and it's sort of now become my regular go-to PLA if I don't want some fancy color or something. One of the things I noticed was that the spools actually have these bolts in them. And it's like, why would they go to the expense of putting a bolt in here instead of, most of the spools are just sort of glued together or all injection molded in one piece or something. And it turns out they had a plan all along. As I mentioned, Rich Wrap came up with this master spool concept, and for a while you could only find it in Europe. You could find coils of filament made for the master spool. And they're starting to show up here. I think Matter Hackers has some and things like that. But turns out that ESun had planned to do this as well. So we have here their refilament. And you can buy single ones, or you can buy a package of 4, black, white, red, and blue. And that's what I did. And I already opened the box, but and did one of these spools. But basically, it's a coil of filament with little straps on it, and I'm going to show you how to put that together. So this is the bulk package. I got, I think I ordered 3 reels as a bundle, and then 1 extra reel. So the pack comes in 4 per pack here, and this is it works out to about $17 a spool. It's packed like this, and you can see it's just filament, and they have these straps that we're going to remove. So now I'll try to load one of them up.